This faceless AI YouTube channel makes $30 to up to $700 a day posting artificial intelligence videos. Now, in this video, I want to show you this new software that can create these AI videos in just a few clicks. Now, the software that I'm going to be showing you how to use is called Syllabi.io. Now, they just made a massive upgrade to make these regenerative type AI videos that literally you just type in a prompt, it'll create the whole video for you. Now, if you've been following me for a while, I create content on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok using my face. However, there's so many people that want to create content but don't want to use their face, don't want to use their voice. And this by far has been the best software I have ever seen, because not only can you create the video with one click, it's also going to post to multiple platforms. Because of this software, I have now created a completely faceless brand on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Syllabi to create these faceless videos, but more importantly, I want to show you how you can set up an actual business that's going to actually make you money, because at the end of the day, views don't really matter, but I want to show you how you can turn these views into actual money. Now, I'm going all in and creating a brand new faceless brand for my business. Yes, I'm still going to keep my regular videos where I'm showing my face, but I'm so excited about this new software and this new method to create an AI business that I'm also creating a completely new faceless brand. Now, I've built multiple seven-figure businesses, and I'm going to show you exactly the framework that I want you to follow, okay? So before I show you how to create the AI videos, number one, we got to go and create the actual profiles, okay? Now, some of you may already have these, okay? But we got to go and create an Instagram profile, a TikTok, a YouTube channel, and then if you don't have one yet, a Facebook page, okay? So more importantly, we got to go and create a bio and have something to sell. If you don't have something to sell, I'll help you at the end of this video. But for example, this is one of my faceless accounts. This is a brand new account that I just started. Now, one thing you'll notice is this is a completely faceless page. I have a faceless picture here. I have a bio here, and then all these videos were made by Syllabi, which again, I'll show you how to make in just a bit. But before you do that, we want to go ahead and create these profiles, okay? We want to have obviously your user profile name. You want to have a bio photo, as you can see right here. And then more importantly, you want to have a bio, okay? Now, as far as the bio, there's a few things that you want to mention, right? You want to talk about who you are, right? So who you are, what you do, and more importantly, why they should follow you, okay? So that's basically an overview of how you can write a quick bio, okay? So I'm not going to go too deep into that because I want to show you how to actually use Syllabi to create these faceless videos. And then the last thing you want is something to sell, okay? Which obviously right here is the link in your bio. Now, again, if you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can tap into 15 to 20 income streams on day number one, okay? But this is how you should set up all your profiles for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's all going to be similar, okay? Now, the second thing you need is you need to create a Syllabi.io account. Assuming you want to create these videos completely using AI without using your face, you need to go create an account. Now, I will have a link down below in the comments. That link will actually get you 7 days for free, so you can actually try this out and make videos. And then step number 3 is we need to connect our social profiles to Syllabi. Now, let me show you what that looks like. All right, so I'm in my Syllabi account, and of course, I'm going to show you how to create the videos. Before you do that, again, we want to make sure that our profiles are set up correctly, because what I really like about this software is it actually allows you to post to multiple platforms, okay? Now, here's what I'm going to do, okay? So at the bottom left, before I even start making a video, I want to go and connect my social profile. So I'm going to click on this, and you'll notice that I have multiple profiles already, right? I have my YouTube faceless account, my TikTok faceless account, my Instagram, and then my Facebook, okay? Now, you can obviously add more accounts. You can add a Threads account, you can add a LinkedIn account, and I believe they're actually adding more accounts as well. So as they create more connections, you can also add more and more, okay? But for now, once you connect this, it's gonna make things so much easier once you go and create an actual video. Now, there's a few different things that you can do, but what I'm gonna show you is how to create a faceless video. But real quick, in another video, I wanna show you how you can actually clone yourself if you wanna create content using your face and using your voice voice, but this software will actually make it using an AI version of yourself, okay? But I'm not gonna talk about that in this video, but there's multiple things that you can do, and I'll do that on another video. But for simplicity, I'm gonna show you how to quickly make a video and post it with one click, okay? So at the top here, I'm gonna go ahead and create video and click on Faceless video here, and then you're simply gonna go through the steps here, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of these styles. I like to go with the AI visual, but they also have like B-roll type videos or video vaults that you can use. I like the AI visuals. I think it looks really good. Plus, I'm getting some good traction on my Faceless accounts, okay? So I'm just gonna choose, let's just go with old camera, okay? So I'm gonna go with that one. The next one is gonna ask, where do you wanna post your videos? Now, the cool thing is, again, I could just click on all of these and it's gonna automatically post to all of these platforms, okay? This is kind of one of my favorite parts because with other AI creators, you have to download it and then go upload it to each one. This one makes it so much easier, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna hit publish now. That means when the video is created, it's gonna go ahead and automatically post, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then the next thing is video options. So these are the actual subtitles. I'm gonna do something bright. I usually go with vivid over here. Obviously, you can choose what you want. Now, I can go ahead and choose whatever voice actor you want. Right now, I'm choosing Archie. It's a British male, but you can see there's a ton of different voice actors. You can go ahead and just listen to them and see which one you like. I've been liking Archie. This is the one that I'm using, okay? Now, next thing is what type of video do you want to make? Now, you'll notice here, I'm actually just sticking with shorts for now, okay? Later on, I'll show you how you can make full-on YouTube videos. But as you can see, I'm going to stick with 1 minute or less, okay? We're just going to stick to shorts. Plus, it's just simple. It's easy to digest, and more importantly, it's going to attract more people so we can then send them to our links, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on that, and the next part is it's actually going to ask you for a script, okay? Now, there's a few things you can do here. What I like to do is I actually like to use AI Script Assistant. They'll actually help you create an entire script for you, okay? The cool thing is you just tell it what you want, and it'll go ahead and write a script. Now, in this example, I'm simply going to use the AI Script Assistant. Now, what I'm doing is I'm giving the AI assistant what I want the video to be about, okay? Now, this is important because it depends on your niche or what you're promoting. But if I go back to my profiles, you'll notice my main goal is helping people create 15 streams of income and quitting their 9-to-5 job, okay? So knowing who my audience is very important. And as I give the AI script assistant kind of what the script should be about, that's what I want to keep in mind, okay? Now, another thing to keep in mind is what are we actually selling? What do we want people to do at the end of this video, right? So we can also tell the AI script assistant to, mention, to comment down below, or to simply follow, right? So just something to keep in mind, right? What's the end goal you want your users to do, okay? Now, I'm just gonna say basically, hey, write a script on how the regular school system is a scam and how people should build their own businesses to have freedom, okay? I'm just gonna make it simple. I'm not gonna do too much here. I'm gonna go ahead and generate this script. And as you can see, it gave me a script here. You can see estimated video length is 55 seconds. Now I can add to this if I want. So I'm basically adding say freedom below if you agree. Only added 2 more seconds, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate video. There's also an advanced option here that we can look at. You can change like the background music. You can change kind of the effects. We're not gonna worry about that. We want simple and easy, okay? So now at the bottom right here, I'm gonna go ahead and generate video. And within a few minutes, as you can see, the entire video is now done. Now I could go ahead and check out the video here, but the cool thing is this video has already posted to all those platforms, okay? And as you can see, this is exactly how I wanted it, the exact script. And I did this literally in just a few minutes, okay? Now, again, I could go ahead and download this video and post it to all these platforms, but I've already done that, right? And that's why I said I like to connect the socials first, go and create those first, and then go and create the videos, okay? And as you can see, it'll say publish to all the social media platforms here. Now, one thing, okay, this is just a quick tip. I like to go ahead and add some search engine optimization for YouTube Shorts. So let me show you how to do that. Now, I just want to cover all the steps here. Obviously, once we go ahead and create the socials, we want to go ahead and create the AI videos that will automatically post if you do step number 3. And then the bonus, I want to show you how you can tap into YouTube SEO, okay, which is search search engine optimization. All right, so now I'm on YouTube. And again, this video has already posted. I could technically just leave it how it is. But what I like to do is I like to give a title and I like to give a description that are very search engine based, meaning when someone types into YouTube, I want YouTube to show it to people that are actually typing that in, okay? Now I'm gonna show you a very quick and easy way that you can do this. All right, so for this, I'm simply gonna use ChatGPT, and all you have to do is just ask ChatGPT to create a strong YouTube SEO description and title with a strong hook. Make sure the description is extremely in depth based on the keyword and then whatever the video is about. I'm just going to put here how to make money without going to school. And then I just said use all 5,000 characters. We want to make it extremely in depth. Okay, so this is going to go ahead and pop out a good title and description, which I can simply add to the YouTube video. Now, when this is all done, I'm simply going to go ahead and copy and paste. So I'm going to take that title, add that here, and then I'm going to take this description, take the entire thing here, and we'll go ahead and copy and paste this. All right, so I went ahead and copied and pasted that there. The cool thing is it even gave me some hashtags that I can use, so I can use these if I want. But if I go back to the video, everything is pretty much good. The only thing that I want to do is just add a call to action, right? So whatever it is that you're selling, in this case, I'm just going to follow what I do here. You know, want to clone my 8-figure business. I'm going to copy that, add that here, and then now I have a link so that way people can actually buy my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that, and done. You have now created a YouTube optimized short that's gonna now reach more and more people. Now, the last part here, if you don't have this, is something to sell. Okay, we need something to sell them, right? And this is where most people get stuck. So I want to show you how you can tap into multiple income streams on day number 1, okay, without having to go and create a product yourself. So a lot of this is going to be very simple. You're going to use this AI software to generate customers, and then I'm going to show you how to tap into this system that allows anyone to tap into over 15 to 20 income streams on day number 1. And the way we do this is we tap into existing businesses, their existing sales team. So we don't have to do any of the selling. We don't have to create the products. We don't have to worry about the customer service. We just send people to a product that someone already created. Now, if you want to tap into this exact same systems and copy the 15 to 20 different programs on day number 1, check out my challenge. That's going to be the second link in the description down below. The first link is going to be the link to Syllabi if you don't have that yet. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to make more of these faceless AI videos, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.